Here is how you can change your iPhone ringtone to anything you want. Let me explain it fully. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, on your device, on the iPhone, it's very important which iOS version you are running because we have seen some very important changes with the release of iOS 26. So, if you go to your settings, tap on General and Software Update, just see if there isn't anything available. I'm not saying that you have to be on like the latest, entirely latest, but you have to be at least on iOS 26, right? So once we are in there, we can use the feature which has been newly added, which allows us to change ringtones to anything we want. So a very good example is some kind of MP3 or audio file which we have stored in the Files app. So you go to the Files app and you find some kind of like music. Let's say you download some royalty-free stuff from the internet, or you have some of your own songs which perhaps you created, whatever. But the point is that you can find the audio files right there, hold down on it, and you can click on the share. This sharing is going to give you the regular buttons which you can use to like share it over AirDrop and so on. But if you expand to see more options, you can see the button to use it as a ringtone. And this is a feature which is being built in. Obviously, the file has to be at least or at max 30 seconds long. So for longer files, it's not going to work. But you can basically choose any audio file to be your ringtone. It's actually very interesting because we can, for example, go to the voice memos and literally record whatever we want, like an audio message, right? Or new recording. You can do the same thing by clicking the three dots and share, and as well pick that as a ringtone. So you can literally pick voice recordings as a ringtone. So it's nice. And this functionality has been added in the iOS 26. So let me know if you managed to find this on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end with me, and I'll see you in the future uploads.